Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you some information and an overview of my experiences in ordering, receiving, and using these great waterproof covers for our favorite tumblers that we got on Amazon. I don't know anyone anymore who doesn't have one of these types of cups. And I love mine just as much as everybody else loves theirs. But it has one fundamental design flaw. When it gets knocked over, it leaks. It can ruin carpet, clothes, furniture, whatever that liquid gets on. So I was really grateful when my daughter turned me on to these leak-proof lids. So let me just tell you a little bit about it. It's got a detachable straw, okay, so that they're easy to clean. It has a flip top that closes and opens so that you can drink out of it spill-free. And it has a nice rubber base on it. Makes it a whole lot easier to take on and put off. So let's see what happens when I turn it upside down. No leaks, no leaks, no leaks. There is water in here. So this was an easy yes for us. If you're looking for a way to keep more fluid in your cup if there's an unfortunate accident and it gets knocked over, I highly recommend that you give this a look. It works for us. It's a keeper. Maybe it'll work for you as well.